stem and leaf plot is a way to display a dataset while maintaining the individual data points, particularly useful for visualizing the distribution of data. In a stem and leaf plot, the stem represents the highest place value digits and the leaves represent the lowest place value digits.
Next is history of stem and leaf plot. So what is the history of stem and leaf plot? A stem and leaf display or a stem and leaf plot is a device for presenting quantitative data in a graphical format, similar to a histogram, to assist in visualizing the shape of a distribution. They evolved from Arthur Bowley's work in the early 90s and are used in exploratory data analysis.
Stem and leaf plots are useful in several ways. Number 1. Data organization. Stem and leaf plots provide a structured way to organize and summarize a data set. It allows easy sorting and arrangement of individual data points, making it easier to understand the distribution of the data. Number 2. Visualization of data. Stem and leaf plots provide a visual representation of dataset, allowing user to quickly grasp the overall shapes, spread, and central tendency of the data. This visual representation can reveal patterns, trends, and outlines that may not be apparent from a list of numbers. Number 3. Data analysis. Stem and leaf plots enable users to analyze the data easily. By looking at the stem values, one can quickly determine the range of intervals within the data. By examining the leaf values, one can identify specific data points of cluster. Number 4. Comparison between data sets. Stem and leaf plots make it easy to compare multiple data sets. By overlaying or placing stem and leaf plots sides by sides, user can visually compare the distribution and characteristic of different data sets, facilitating comparative analysis. Number 5. Identifying outliers. Stem and leaf plots are particularly useful in identifying outliers or extreme values in datasets. Outliers are data points that are significantly different from the sets of data. They can be easily identified as the leaves that do not allow the general pattern in plant. Number 6. Statistical calculations. Stem and leaf plots can also be used to easily calculate various statistical measures like the mean, median, and mode. By examining the stem and leaves, user can determine these measures without having to resort to complex calculation. Overall, the stem and leaf plot is useful tools for data exploration, analysis, and visualization. It provides a simple and intuitive way to summarize and understand a dataset, making it easier for researchers, statisticians, educators, and analysts to draw meaningful insights from data.
Paano nga ba magsulat ng data using stem and leaf plot? For example, meron tayong data which is 12, 15, 23, 24, and 30. Paano nga ba natin siya isusulat using this method? Sa labas ng line natin isusulat ang mga numbers na nasa ones place, katulad na lang ng 1, 2, and 3. Sa loob naman natin isusulat lahat ng number na nasa tens place, katulad ng 2, 5, 3, 4, and 0. Ngayon, paano naman natin siya babasahin? So, 1 and 2 is 12, 1 and 5 is 15, 2 and 3 is 23, 2 and 4 is 24, and 3 and 0 is 30. Meron tayong another example which is, how many data points have a value of 54? So, ang gagawin natin is hahanapin ang data na mayroong value of 54. So, pupunta tayo dito sa number 5 and makikita natin na dalawa dito ang may value of 54, which is itong dalawa na ito. So, ang answer natin is is number 2.